children. Today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 2 life of animals. Now let us see the topic adaptation in animals. Adaptation meaning for the most important essential factor of all living beings. The changes in an animal's behavior to adjust with its habitat. Adaptation is the most essential factor of all living beings. The changes in an animal's behavior to adjust with its habitat. That is known as adaptation. If an organism falls to adapt to the particular environment, its survival is difficult. All animals have special body parts to live in a particular place of a particular time. Next we will move to types of adaptation in animals. It has 3 types of adaptation in animals. First one, structural adaptation, psychological adaptations, behavioral adaptations. They have 3 types of adaptation in animals. First one, structural adaptation, psychological adaptation, behavioral adaptations. Let us brief about these types of adaptation in animals.
Let us see the topics. Adaptation in animals. Once again, what is meant by adaptation? The process which enables organisms to adjust to their environment in order to ensure survival. This is called adaptation. Animals adapt themselves to their physical environment for food getting, protection and survival. Adaptation is the ability of an animal to adjust to its environment. For example, giraffe. Giraffe have developed very long necks because of their environment demands. Once again, all animals have special body parts to live in a particular place at a particular time. For example, giraffe have developed a very long neck because of their environment demands. Some more examples of adaptations are given below. The first one, tigers and zebras have lines so they can hide themselves. Second one, camels. Camels have broad feet to walk in the desert. Camels have broad feet to walk in desert. Third one, fish. Fish have gills to breathe in the water and fins to swim. Fourth one, elephants have long and large trunk to get their food in the forest. These are the examples of adaptations. Next, there are 3 basic types of adaptations seen in animals. First one, behavioral, psychological and structural. Structural adaptations. Changes in the physical features of the animals are called structural adaptations. Changes in the physical features of the animals. For example, polar bears. Polar bears living in cold climate have physical adaptations such as thick fur and short ears to reduce heat loss. The polar bear has small ears and tails. This adaptation minimizes heat loss. Second one, psychological adaptation. Changes in the function of the animal's body. changes in the function of the animal's body are called psychological adaptations. For example, dog. Dog shivers to generate more heat when it is cold and pants when it is hot. Dog shivers to generate more heat when it is cold and pants when it is hot. Third one, behavioral adaptation. Changes in the activities of the animal or behavioral adaptations. For example, birds. Birds migrate to avoid adverse conditions. For example, birds migrate to avoid adverse conditions. A behavioral adaptations involves the way an animal acts to enhance its survival or reproduction. Mimicry, migration and hibernations. Children, do one activity. Read and match. Monkeys have a long tail. Monkeys have a long tail. Second one, camels have humps. Camels have humps. Polar bears have white fur. Polar bears have white fur. Fourth one, fish have fins. Fish have fins. Okay children, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.